Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Free Fire Max update problem in Google Play Store. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you check your internet working or not, mobile data and Wi-Fi also. After that open your Google Play Store, press on your profile icon, press on settings, then press on about. Here you check your Google Play Store up to date or not, press on update Play Store. If here your Google Play Store not up to date, then update from it. If already up to date, then go back, go to the settings, again open your Play Store, then search here carrier services. Here also you check carrier services up to date or not up to date, then update your carrier services. After that go back, open your settings, go to the apps, then search here Google Play Store. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence, then press on OK. Then again open your Google Play Store, then search here Free Fire Max. Now you can update your Free Fire Max. That's it guys, so in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.